Hello friends, have a nice day to you. Again myself Neeraj Mishra came back with a new video in which I will explain some other kinds of barriers. As friends, as I stated in the last video of chapter 3 in which I was explaining about the barriers that hamper and distract the effectiveness of communication. So in order to describe more about the barriers that hamper the effectiveness of communication, I already described about linguistic, psychological, emotional, physical, cultural, attitudinal, perceptional, and physiological barriers that affect our communication system in the previous video which I have already provided. Friends, today in this video I am going to explain the last two other barriers, that is technological and stereotyping or prejudice barrier. Friends, as you know, the technological barriers, as friends, we know we all are now living in the digital world and technologies are being developed rapidly these days. But it is too difficult for us to keep up with it. We know there are so many people live in our surrounding. Some of them having a good knowledge of using the current technology, but some of them are not knowing properly how to use these technologies. So this creates a digital gap in between the person, and these digital differences may become the cause of communication gap, and due to which they are not using efficiently the current technology and our communication get affected. As we know, the excessive use of electronic communication has also affected our communication system. Excessive use of electronic communication system has also affected our verbal and emotional skills. These advancement of technologies creating gap between the person. Even you will see that even son and daughter does not want to sit with their parents. On the contrary, they want to sit with their mobiles in the free time. So this is the great problem in our society. Next one is the prejudice. Here the term prejudice means an adverse opinion without sufficient knowledge. It is the preconceived opinion that is not based on the actual facts, actual experience, such as the girl is weaker than a boy. Young people is more energetic than the old people. Boss is more knowledgeable than his staffs, etc. So here these all preconceived opinions are not always true. It is not very proper to categorize the people on the basis of these facts. We cannot consider them as unique individuals, and as a result we limit the chances of communication to be successful. So we should consider everybody as unique and keep them away from preconceived notions. So after this line, I completed the explanation of the barriers that affect our communication in the different ways. So in the next video, I will help you to know about what are the steps must be followed by the users to avoid these all kinds of various. So thank you and have a nice day. Wait for the new video.